Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen Naija Day in Vegas vlog. Boyfriend exposed me. Let's get into it. Okay, Queen, I see you're blogging now. All right. She's out there working and vlogging. I see you, girl. All right, this should be great. Let's get into it.
What's up, queendom?
What's up,
queendom? What's up, queendom?
Right now, this is what happens when we
What's up, queendom?
are transferring from bus to hotel. Everybody is literally outside looking crazy with their suitcases all laid out, trying to like repack their stuff. So that's one bus over there. That's our old bus that we used to be on. That is the band and crew walking into the hotel. This is our bus crew. Well, everybody else gets to, you know, go chill, go to their room. I have to go to a fitting. My fitting is from 1:30 to 4:30, so I don't have the whole day of a fitting, but hello? In the car, no, not yet. Why? Evan just asked me to get her toiletry bag and hold it because she forgot it. So now I have to dig in her bunk, and it's way up here, and I don't know. What the heck? Hold on. Okay, how would I get up here? Kinda gotta...
Be careful, Queen. I do not. She's so sweet because she's trying to help her friend out and get the toiletry bag. But I don't want her to get hurt, you know? You got to climb on the other bunk to get to that and then kind of balance and whatever. And what about her knee? Okay. I think it's going to be all right.
Good? Yeah. She wanted me to get her toiletry bag. She left in here. Oh, it's this little blue one. Okay. All right. Okay, Ellie, you look a little bit better.
Welcome to Queendom.
All right, y'all. So listen, the last time y'all seen me, I was sitting under the bus. We went to a fitting and it was hectic, and we still have to go to another fitting, but we were really hungry. Kenny was about to pass out, so we had to come with the whole team and eat some seafood.
Yeah, please.
Period. And I'm not taking off my mask because I already don't got lashes. Everybody's eating. She's eating. It looks like catfish, but it's butterflies.
That look good. I love butterfly shrimp. I'm jealous. Where y'all at?
Butterfly shrimp. He eating crabs.
Stop. Wait.
What? What's wrong?
We just had to talk about this.
Oh, you just smiled at the camera earlier. You just smiled at the camera. She said, hold on, now wait. You smiled earlier. Okay, y'all, this is what we're eating, and yeah, this is what I'm about to eat. This is corn, y'all. I never seen corn like this. Why is it so wet? I am now back at my hotel that I just got here, and someone's here.
You already know the Bob just landed.
Hey, Claire. See, I saw she was all cute. I figured Claire was going to be there. Okay, girl. Get him, girl.
My man just got here. And
Just landed.
I literally just rushed here to like really honestly to beat him here. I don't know why I did that. I have my waist training, y'all, because I'm trying to get my waist right. I'm not gonna lie, that food didn't do me well when I was just eating there. But really all I had was fries, so. But I'm gonna show y'all, I'm not gonna show y'all this room.
Yeah, hot Cheetos cheesesteak yesterday.
Oh. Wait a minute, why you telling him?
Claire. Okay, so this is to expose me. You know Claire is Petty fam. He probably the queendom too, but you know. Claire just can't let her live. Like she got her waist trainer on. She doing good. He like, yeah, don't forget about that cheesesteak. Now, you know, she probably had that because she was with Claire. You know, he loved cheesesteak too. So she get to cheat every now and then.
Why you telling him that? Don't do that. I'm trying to get my waist right, y'all. I think I'm gonna, I might save this room. I don't know if I want to do a room tour right now or save it for maybe like me and Clarence's channel. But yeah, y'all know the girl about to just wind down and relax. And you know, yeah, so I just want to let you guys know that. So y'all, it is literally 6 in the morning. It's 6 in the morning.
I can tell she's sleepy. Goodness.
We had to wake up. Everybody had to come in here so we can go to the venue and do a COVID test.
The time's left.
Hi, Lee. Hi, Beast.
We're not vaccinated. We gotta do a COVID test, and then I think sound check. I don't know why we gotta do sound check so early. This is day in Vegas, y'all. So.
Is that QUEENNAIJA? I feel like
Yeah.
definitely out for that, man.
Someone definitely just said my name at 6 in the morning. Hi.
Man, Queendom people don't play. 6 in the morning, they out here, they must work there or something. Are they coming? I mean, golly, they know her. See, she got love everywhere she go. That's great.
I don't know how they noticed me with no lashes and a mask.
I mean, you have a vlogging camera on.
I mean, anybody can have a vlogging camera.
They notice you because of you. They know you, first of all. They know you on site. Then you got your crew with you. You know, you got Lee. They saw Lee. They see Claire. They see Beast. You know, it gotta be you.
But when you do have a vlogging camera, it's like,
It
who's
confirms
that?
it.
Yeah,
You
it's
see
like,
Beast.
Oh yeah, because they know. Yup. They you too. They know who you are for a fact. Right. You don't even have a mask. You have nothing on. You can't even cover anything.
All right, let me.
At least Hester's in the
like
front.
that's gonna make a difference.
Get ready to go to the testing site. Legend has on PJs
put your
still.
jacket on. Arm. Yeah.
Oh, legend. See, Lee don't know she's famous though. That's all right, Lee. People know you too. But oh, legend. He out there with his mamas.
Come on, Dada. He's so cute. The sun is beaming out here. I now have the same, well, everybody know I got the same camera as Clarence. My bruh, don't start that. I knew he was gonna do that. I knew he was gonna do that. Guess what she wanna be like?
My camera, she was acting like she didn't want it. I'm like, I know you gonna buy it. Like,
Yeah, but I bought it on my own time and I couldn't let you know that I was trying to be like you. You know what I'm saying? Had to do that in secret.
you bought the same joint and everything.
That's why I got.
They so cute. He trying to be like me. Ah.
That's why I got my microphone on. You don't.
That's not a microphone.
Well, whatever it is, a windbreaker. Alright, y'all, we are now in the testing site where everybody's about to stand in line. My test is negative. Y'all, we gotta go through this little line and stuff, and then do sound check.
Nigga said the overwrite. Nigga stupid.
How's everybody feeling today? Everybody feeling good? What's wrong, Mitch? You don't want to be on camera? But you look good. You got a haircut today.
Oh, poor Mitch. Mitch don't never want to be on camera. He'll be looking like he don't feel good. He just camera shy. People like you too, Mitch. Hey, Mitch. See? You can be part of the petty fam as well as the queendom, you know? Come on, Mitch.
I don't like your camera.
But the camera looks good.
I don't want to be on camera.
But the camera looks good.
He said, I don't like your
All right,
camera.
I won't put this right on there, but just look at yourself. Just look at yourself.
I need an extra fee for camera time.
An extra fee for camera time?
Where y'all going?
Mitch, come on.
Mitch gonna get them coins. He said, you need to pay for my image. Okay, Mitch. See? Petty. No way. Oh, you look fine, Mitch. It's okay. We like you, Mitch.
Say we, legend.
This is QUEENNAIJA.
Say we, Papa. You heard legend, babe? He said we. We are in catering right now, y'all. Before we do sound check, what the hell is that? Just why? Just for what? Tell me why, y'all. What's the point of this being here?
That is scary. That is scary. Nope. I had to get that thing about 5 feet.
Demonic decoration.
Y'all. It's getting hot, so I had to take off my sweater. But
does it look?
we about to eat breakfast sandwich, fried eggs, smoked ham and cheese on a soft white bun. Okay, I'm gonna get like eggs. I hope they got turkey sausage or something. That's my plate right there. They are making, y'all. And I'll take a couple of napkins. We got little fruit cups and bagels. Oh, this is nice. A muffin. This is so cute. These little cups are so cute, y'all. Legend, why you making noises? Legend, stop.
He excited. I think he's spelling with his Cheerios. That is smart. Look at you. He always working.
Anywho, would you ever consider changing the royal family name to just Queen and Clarence? No? Why not?
I don't know. That reminds me too much of.
You don't like the sound of it?
Nah, I just like the royal family.
The royal family?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So I am at sound check right now. Ladies. Hey. Y'all know they might see us looking real good.
Hey, ladies.
We're about to get busy.
Oh, it's a pretty day out there. Ooh. That must be so exciting to be performing on this stage when it's so pretty. It's probably going to be dark, maybe, possibly, when she performs. But, you know, just a sound check and you get to see the view. That's gorgeous. I'm so glad she brought us with her. Thanks, Queen.
This is the inside. We're all huddled up like a... It's too cold in here? Oh, yeah. Damn, babe, you usually not, like, you must be sick.
I feel sick.
No, Claire. Don't get sick. Poor thing.
It's me, myself, and I here, y'all. Just came back in here because low-key, I got a boo-boo. But I don't know if I can boo-boo in here in this bathroom. This don't look like a boo-boo in toilet. I don't know, y'all.
We need to know our late Queen. She's so funny. You need to tell somebody to bring some spray. You know, if everybody on the bus, y'all need some spray, like for anybody who use it. You know, I don't know. I'm all about the spray, y'all.
What y'all think? Should I do the do or wait? I don't want to have to do the do when I...
Girl, go ahead and do what you need to do, okay? It's your bus. You can do what you want to do. You know, don't be... And you inside, you know, ain't like you at sound check or something.
I have to perform, so it's either or. Oh, this is my outfit. Mitch put the stones on there by himself.
Ooh, I like the sparkliness. Okay, that's gonna be cute.
Dang, girl. Ooh, hold on. Oh, yes. Period. Put that booty up. This is what's going on right now, y'all. Girls are dressed, but we are in a little shoe frenzy.
For real.
We're in a shoe frenzy. Adidas sent the wrong size shoe, 2 different size shoes, so now they're trying to switch off on shoes. These are the kind of things that goes on before we have to go on the show. We gotta be ready in a few minutes.
With Adidas, it be men's and it be women, so it might be the same size.
Is that Mitch? I think she's trying to give Mitch on camera without him knowing it.
This is tight. Yeah. We just go with it.
Well, I have to say,
Which one feels better?
I don't think that's Mitch. Y'all tell me.
Oh, these are 8s.
those are 8s?
I mean, that was fine because this is actually loose. So
Wait, where did you find a double sock?
So that feels better. No, right here, where's the
Double sock. She's stressed out right now.
sock? Please, Queen. Just 1 second.
Oh, okay. Y'all, it's giving orange, and they're giving bubble gum. Now that I think about it, I think the pink is cuter, but just gonna rock with what we got. I put on my little Christian Dior chain, so hopefully.
I like the orange though. It's your favorite color, and plus it's cute. It goes with the gold, and it makes you stand out because you're the star.
That makes a difference. We are heading to the stage, you guys. Get ready to perform. I'm not nervous right now. I probably will be nervous before I get on stage. So hopefully this show will go good. That's the stage. All right, y'all. I'm about to go on stage. I just finished my show and it was such a good show. He's over it.
So proud of her. That looks so cute. I like the little outfits. I think the orange and the pink go well together. And Legend is being so good.
All
He's tired.
All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end my vlog out. I didn't really have a chance to talk after my show last night, but it was a pretty good show. I was honestly shocked that I wasn't nervous. I actually wasn't that nervous. I probably farted a little bit before the show, but I wasn't that nervous, and I went out there and I had a lot of confidence. And this is my first big festival besides the Hollywood Bowl, and people was really rocking with me. They was like singing my music and all of that, and I just felt really good to be back out performing in front of the general public and not just my core fan base. But I'm gonna be vlogging some more, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the vlogs. I know it look dumb bright out here, but oh Lord, it is. It's dumb bright. Huh? I'm in Rancho Cucamonga. I don't know what that is. What's that? Oh, well anyway, y'all, look, this is what I have on right now. I'm looking at food, so I'm about to get back on my tour bus right here and start vlogging some more for the royal family. Say hi, Claire. Say hi to my vlog. He's so sick. Poor baby. We about to go to Trader Joe's now, so I will see y'all later on, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.
I think I got a girl.